Good morning. I'm currently in front of the train station. It's really early. Not as early as other travel vlogs I've done, but it's still like 7:30 and I'm gonna make my way to Belgium. We're gonna go to Amber, gonna hang out with her in the weekend, and I'm gonna take you guys along. We're gonna do lots of fun things, so let's go. On the train to Amber, I decided to do a little bit of editing. I was working on an unfiltered life diary, so if you're interested on seeing like little weekly updates about my life, make sure to follow me on Instagram, as I am intending to post every single week this year. I made it to Belgium. Station of Ghent. I'm now waiting for Amber to pick me up. Eek, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. I'm excited for all the things we're gonna do this weekend, even if it's just like hang out and vibe. We're also gonna do an IRL stream, and we're gonna fix our cable management. We're gonna plan things for TwitchCon US later this year, and yeah, just hang out, vibe. We haven't like seen each other in 6 months or so, so yay! Okay, I should be live as well. Yeah, I'm live. Look, I can see. But like this bag.
I'm like in the way. I know people try to come by.
That's fine. They can walk around too. Okay, so we're gonna start with the original one.
Ooh la la.
Ooh
La la.
The darker one.
What do you think? Ooh.
That's good. Now you guys can really see the texture. The outside is like a little bit crunchy.
The thing is too, it's super cold here, so I feel like the candies are literally out in the cold.
I think they might be a bit frozen.
I think they're better when you...
They're
it's nice.
So good a bit frozen, like the crisp on the outside. You should try it as well. I'll film you when you
like
try
normally
one
it's
too.
more gooey and like flowy. Like kind of like biting into like...
Oh, it's so really good.
I don't know how to put it. Like a bit more... Yeah, I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, you'll love it. Okay, Chad, the reason I wanted to walk here, look. Like, so in Rotterdam, we have modern bridges. Here they have pretty bridges. This is stunning. Guys, you want to hear the story?
Wait. Plugging in. Yes.
Scott just sent me a video of what was happening with my stream, with my computer.
Yeah?
He said it sounds like it cannot connect. You know what he was hearing? My follow sound. Over and over and over and over again, because apparently
Follow bots.
I didn't turn off my alerts on my speakers, so he can just hear every alert, but we got follow bots, so he's listening to like hundreds of follow
Because how many were there?
I have no idea, I can't see, but it was at least a good couple of hundred. So he's just hearing my follow sound hundreds of times, and he's like, your PC sounds like it's struggling.
Something's going on. Will I be live on?
Also, guys, we found another Albert Heijn. Best shop ever. Also, okay, why is the font? I swear, some days I should be a graphic designer, but like, why is the font of the Albert Heijn weird here? Like, look at that. That's just strange. Maybe that's a font with a Flemish accent. That is genuinely the best explanation I've heard. And it kind of makes sense as well. Like, I don't know why it makes sense, but it makes sense. Like the thinner lines, the thinner letters. I think there is truly fonts that look like they have a Flemish accent, and then there's also fonts that look like a Rotterdam accent, you know? Rotterdam accent is just Comic Sans. I think we need to ban you right now. Like, not even kidding. Of all the things you could have said, you went for that one. You went for like the one-shot kill. We have really good lighting.
Yeah. It's so pretty.
I feel like a professional stream.
Like this looks like an actual like stream setup.
It does.
It's working overtime.
This
Take a
looks
picture.
good.
Someone take a picture.
How tall are you?
170?
173. I'm 173. She's 170, so we're actually pretty close.
How are you?
Okay, listen, it's really late. We're walking home, and I just see this. It's just embedded into a random wall. Is this a vending machine? For bread. I thought, what? And then it says like, een grote witte blok.
That's so weird. I've never... Yeah.
Kleine witte blok.
Grote bruine blok.
Een speciaal brood. This is een speciaal brood, ladies and gentlemen. She's very special. But and I asked Amber, I was like, is this normal? She goes like, yeah, we have them everywhere. They're just vending machines for bread. Excuse me?
Can you go get some bread from the vending machine? We're out of bread.
Yeah. That's weird,
Like a common experience.
but so cool. I want this. Can we please get this? Netherlands, this is me petitioning. Can we get bread vending machines, please? Thank you. We're having nice breakfast. Look, I hope it's not too loud. But they have like all kinds of jams, and I got a hot chocolate, and she has a caramel latte macchiato. Then we have like fresh orange juice and a boiled egg. There's like such nice sourdough bread and croissant and baguette and everything. So delicious. Media. So as you can see, we are taking apart the entire setup. The intention here was to remove everything from her old desk, then build her new desk, and then do the cable management properly on her new desk. We had like a desk rack and like a cable rack and everything. Here you can see that we are unboxing everything, and it is one of those things where you can start with so much energy, and then somewhere along the lines, we realized that we did not have all the screws, meaning that unfortunately we could not build the entire desk, which absolutely sucked ass. Both of us were so devastated because we were so ready to like make this a beautiful setup, and we just realized that there was no way that we were going to be able to building this desk because the screws that you kind of see us realize it here now, the screws that we needed to combine all the desk pieces were missing, meaning that we built the entire bottom of the desk, but there was no way that we could put the top of the desk together. And I think as of posting this vlog, she is still struggling with this problem. So this is just a general call for everyone: check your screws, check your desk before you start building, because this absolutely sucked. It kind of meant that we had to place back the old desk, and I was just putting everything back. Unfortunately, this also meant that we couldn't do the setup or like the cable management perfectly because we didn't have the cable rack or anything, but I tried my best to make it pretty. Almost no cables.
This jaar though.
Amber, clean up your shit.